Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to tell you the 3 reasons why we chose this right here, and that's the Anderson Hitch. And you're going to want to stick around because our reasons aren't always, what everybody else picks. Stick around. Hey, welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. It's always great to have you with us. Hey, in this video, we are going to talk about the Anderson Hitch here, the Ultimate Fifth Wheel Hitch, and why we selected this above any other hitch. So let's dive right in. So first things first is absolute convenience. Since we were used to using, a regular distribution hitch with our travel trailer, this learning curve with the Anderson Hitch using this cup and ball system was absolutely zero to learn. Basically, I back on, I drop the trailer onto the hitch, and I'm on my way. So number one was absolute ease and zero learning curve. Some people said that they've had some problems with the actual hitch rotating. We've not had that problem, and they said that they really have the problem when you have a spray-in liner like we have. We have it set for 70 foot-pounds, and we've never had any problems with the actual hitch rotating at all. One of the other things that you'll find debated online is the direction that your cup should sit in, or your receiver should sit in. And again, we had it installed at the dealer, and they did all the measuring and all of that, and they put it so that the cup is to the rear. And we have a short bed F350, so 6'6" bed, and we're getting an extremely tight turn radius by having the cup to the rear, which is what Anderson recommends. One of the other things that's really debated on the negative column is how high you have to raise this to get it onto the ball. And frankly, I don't know why that's an issue. It goes up, and all I have to do is press a button. It's not like I have to hand crank it. We're using the Lippert electric auto leveling system, and we raise it about that high, and everything just lines up. So again, and for us, it was all about the learning curve when it came to that. I added this yellow tape line on both sides, and that's the center of the ball. And that way, when Teresa is helping me back on, her view will be this. And as long as she lines that yellow line up to the ball, then we are totally good.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Right there. Oh, no, go forward. Right there. Right there. Perfect.
Okay, so real simple process. Back on. Pull the safety chains. And I do this before we lower the deal because it makes it so much easier. One of the nice things about the Anderson Hitch is this ball right here can adjust. So if you need a little bit more height from your cap to your rail, you could get that by adjusting that ball right there. Then all you got to do is push that in, turn it to the right, and you're locked. One of the things that not necessarily a concern, but everybody talks about the tug test. No need for a tug test. When you see that thing go on, and it is on the ball and it is locked, it's not going anywhere. So the number 2 reason that we chose the Anderson Hitch over other hitches was for the safety, and we over researched and did lots of homework and found that for the convenience, this thing is about as durable as they come. This thing will hold a load of 4,500 pounds on the tongue, and it's got a tow capacity of 24,000 pounds. Now, our rig is only 14,500, and it maxes out at about 16,000 pounds. So we are so far underneath any of the tolerances on this hitch. Again, we probably did way too much homework on this, and what sold me was when they did the pressure test and they pushed this thing down to 58,000 pounds before it failed. I don't think that's ever going to happen in any way that we use this. And so, you know, there's that. Again, I couldn't find anything in the safety aspect that this would cause me to have any concern. And then finally, it's the ride. There's no chucking, no bouncing. It's a very smooth ride. And that was a big deal for me because we like to get out often. And the less noise and the less shake, rattle, and roll that we experience, the better. And this does offer a super smooth, nice ride. As that hitch rides on that ball, it just articulates with the road. You can see it as you're going down the road, and it's just a nice smooth ride. So convenience, very almost no learning curve. Number two, extremely safe and reliable. And number three, it's just got a fantastic ride as you're going down the road. So that's why we chose the Anderson Ultimate Hitch. It was recommended to us by the dealer when we bought our rig. We love it. It's easy for us, and it has served us well since we've had it, and we look forward to many miles riding on this hitch. Hey, thanks again for coming along. We appreciate each and every one of you. If you have the Anderson Hitch, give us a thumbs up. If you don't have the Anderson Hitch, give us a thumbs up anyway, and we'll see you in the next video.